Hi there, my name is Sean Jordison, and in this video, we're going to look at the new list elements using the new rich content editor within Canvas. To begin, let's select the Edit button. I'm going to jump right down where I have some list elements. I have two bullets here that are currently indicated by dashes. I'm going to delete these dashes as they are not recognized list elements. Then I'm going to select the text, and using the rich content editor, there's a couple different ways we can add a list. The first is to use the new drop-down menu. And I'm so excited. Canvas finally implemented more list elements. So we have Roman numerals, we have alphabetical, and our standard bullets, both squares and open bullets. This is really exciting. If you've been using Canvas, you know that they have had very limited bullet function. So this is exciting. From here, let's select the list element that makes the most sense. Because the steps of this list do not matter, I can choose any one of these unordered lists. Let's choose the square unordered list just for changing it up. So we applied an unordered list to these elements. Let's find a numbered list. And it looks like we have one down here. First, I'm going to delete out my current text as these list elements don't work currently. With this list, I am going to make it a numbered list. First thing you want to do is select the text, come over to the bullet drop-down menu, and we're going to select one of these three options, either the numbered list, the alphabetical numbered list, or the Roman numeral ordered list. Let's do Roman numeral just to change things up. Fantastic. And we can see both in our little preview window that we have an ordered list and that there's a small little arrow indicating that we have applied a list to this document. Remember, Canvas doesn't recognize X's or dashes as list elements, so it's important to ensure you are using the built-in structure within Canvas. You just learned how to add list elements using the new rich content editor within Canvas. Thank you for watching.